I am Dr. Ganesh Mogal, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, KTHM College, Nasik. Dear learner, we are discussing about the graphics in a C. Friends, in previous lecture, we discussed about some graphics command, that is get pixel, put pixel, then graphics command to draw a different shape, that is line, circle, ellipse, rectangle, bar and arc. Also we see some graphics command to set color, fill image. In this lecture we have to see 4 program. First program is a program to draw line, circle, arc, ellipse, bar and rectangle. Our second program is a program to draw concentric circle at the center of a screen. Third program is a program to draw simple cubic structure, and a fourth program is a program to draw Miller indices of a 111 plane. You will be able to draw a different shape in a graphics program. Then student will be give color and fill solid or lines in a different shape. Our first program is a program to draw line, circle, arc, ellipse, bar and a rectangle. First is a hash include. Hash include is a preprocessor directive. stdio.h means standard input output, .h means header file. Next is a hash include, again hash include is a preprocessor directive. Graphics.h. Graphics.h is used to access simple graphics library, and which make possible to draw circle, line, ellipse, rectangle. Then main function. Without a main function, the codes are not work, and therefore we use main function. Then opening curly bracket. The body of the program is in the curly bracket. This is opening curly bracket. In integer, GD is equal to detect. GD means graphic driver, and graphics driver is equal to detect. Detect, numerical value of a detect is 0. And graphics mode, GM means graphics mode. The integer value of a graphics drive and graphics mode is same. When we use integer GD is equal to detect GM, it indicates that the graphics mode select high resolution, that is highest resolution. Then in it graph and GD and GM. In it graph is used to convert the text mode into the graphics mode, and GD and GM, which is a address operator. Then the next is a line. Now we have to draw line, and the starting coordinates or the starting point of a line having coordinate 50, 25, end point having coordinate 50, 200, and set color, we use set color 4. It indicates that the color of a line is red. So this is a graph, and this is a line which having a starting coordinate 50, 25 and the coordinate of an end point is 50, 200. We have to draw circle. The center of a circle having coordinate 100, 75 and 25 is a radius of the circle. So, circle is like this. Then arc, the center of a arc having coordinate 150, 150. 0 is the starting angle of a arc, 90 is the end angle of a arc, and 100 is the radius of the arc. So, arc is like this. Next is ellipse. The center, the ellipse have a center which having coordinate 200, 150. 0 is a starting angle of ellipse, 360 is end angle of ellipse, 50 is the radius along semi major axis, and 25 is radius of ellipse along semi minor axis. So, the ellipse is like this. Next is a bar. Now, 200, 130 are the coordinates of left top corner, 100, 220 are the coordinate of right bottom corner, and the bar is like this. Next is a rectangle, 25, 150, these are the coordinate of left top corner, 150, 200, these are the coordinate of right bottom corner, and the rectangle is like this. Next is get ch and close graph, which is a use to convert the graphics mode into the text mode, and the body of a program is close with closing curly bracket. After attending this lecture, the learner will be able to draw concentric circle at the center of the screen, and learner will be understand about use of get max x and get max y function. So, our program is a program to draw concentric circle at the center of a screen. Again, first hash include stdio.h, hash include is a preprocessor directive, stdio.h means standard input output dot header file. Then hash include graphics.h because we use graphics mode, so we use graphics.h. Next is a main function which is used to execute the particular code. Then the body of a program is in the pair of a curly bracket, this is the opening curly bracket. Then in integer gd is equal to detect, gd means graphic drive is equal to detect. The numerical value of this detect is a 0 and gm means graphics mode. The numerical value of gd and gm is the same, and which is the integer, and it indicate that gm it get graphics mode having highest resolution. Then init graph is used to convert the text mode into the graphics mode. X1 is equal to get max x. This indicate that the value x1 is maximum value of x along x axis, which is at the right corner of screen. Y1 is equal to get max y, which is maximum value of a pixel or the coordinate of a pixel along right corner of a screen. So, we select maximum coordinate along x axis and maximum coordinate along y axis. We use for loop. First is initialization, I is equal to 10. This indicate that the radius of a circle which is at a center is 10. Now I is incremented. I is incremented by 10. So we can write I is equal to I plus 10. It indicates that the radius of a second circle, concentric circle, is 20. This is a carried out. Radius of a third circle is a 30. Radius of a fourth circle is a 40. Okay. This is a carried out up to I is less than or equal to 250. Okay. And the circles are drawn at the concentric circle are drawn at the center of a screen. Okay. So, circle x 1 upon 2, that is coordinate, maximum coordinate of x divided by 2, maximum coordinate of y divided by 2, so that we get center. Okay. And the circle is drawn at the center. So, the circle is like this. This is the first circle of radius 10, then second circle of radius 20, third circle, fourth circle, fifth circle. This is like this. Okay. So, this is a program to draw concentric circle at center of a screen. Again, close graph is used to convert graphics mode into the text mode. Now we have to see the program to draw simple cubic structure. After attending this lecture, the student will be able to draw simple cubic structure. Student will be understand use of outtext xy in C program. So, program is to draw simple cubic structure. Again, hash include stdio.h, hash include is a preprocessor directive, stdio.h means standard input output dot header file. Then hash include conio.h. Here we use conio.h because in this program we use clear screen. Then hash include graphics.h because our we have to draw simple cubic structure in a graphics. Okay. .h means header file. Then main function is used to execute the code. Then in integer gm, gd is equal to detect. Then next is a clear screen, which is used to clear the previous output. Init graph and gd and gm, c /tc /bgi, this indicate that Borland graphics interface library. Okay. Init graph is used to convert the text mode into the graphics mode. Then outtext xy, outtext xy 50 to 100, a is equal to b is equal to c. This indicate that graphics command indicate that a is equal to b is equal to c. This text is a display at the coordinate 50 to 100. Next is outtext 120 to 100, angle p is equal to q is equal to r is equal to 90 degree. It indicates that angle p is equal to q is equal to r is equal to 90 degree. This text is a display on screen at a coordinate 120 and 200. Outtext 70, 40. Simple cubic. This text is a display on a screen at a coordinate 70, 40. 70 is a x coordinate and 40 is a y coordinate of a screen. Then out text. Now 100, 160. A is a display at the coordinate 100, 160. Then out text 130, 130. C is a display at the coordinate 130, 130. 130 is x coordinate and second 130 is a y coordinate. Now out text B. B is a display at the coordinate 160, 130. Okay. So all these out text are used to display. First out text is used to display A is equal to B is equal to C. Second out text is used to display angle P is equal to Q is equal to R is equal to 90 degree. Third out text is used to display text simple cubic. Fourth out text is used to display A, second C and third B. Set color 2. We use color 2, that is blue color, for all the graphics we use, that is a simple cubic structure. Okay. Now this is a graph. Here the text A is equal to B is equal to C is a display, angle P is equal to Q is equal to R is equal to 90 degree, then simple cubic. Then now we have to draw rectangle. The coordinate of left top corner of a rectangle is 80, 90. Coordinate of right bottom corner of a rectangle is 190, 170. Okay. So the rectangle is like this. Next is a rectangle. Now we have to draw second rectangle, and the coordinate of left top corner are 110, 60. The coordinate of bottom left corner 210 and 130. The second rectangle is like this. Now we have to join the corner of this rectangle. So we required 4 lines. Now we have to draw line to join the rectangle. First line 80, 90. This is coordinate of a starting point of a line. 110, 70 is the coordinate of a end point of line, and the line is like this. Next line is line 190, 90. This is a coordinates of a starting point of a line. Okay. 220, 70. This is coordinate of end point of a line. Okay, which is used to join the corner of a rectangle, and the line is like this. Third line having coordinate 180, 80, 160, 110, 140. Okay, and the line is like this. Fourth line is coordinate 190, 170. Okay, starting coordinate, end coordinate 220, 140, and the line is like this. Okay. Now we get the cubic structure. Now we have to draw circle at the 8 corner of cubic structure, so that we get simple cubic structure with 8 atom at 8 corner. So we have to draw circle. First, to draw circle at each corner. First circle having coordinate 80, 90. Okay, and this circle having radius 10. Circle having coordinate, or center of the circle having coordinate 110, 60, and the radius of this circle is again 10. The second circle is like this. Third circle having coordinate 220 and 60 and the radius is 10. The second circle is like this. Then third circle having the center of the circle having coordinate 190, 90 and radius is again 10. Next circle having coordinate 110, 140 and radius is a 10. Next circle is having coordinate 90, 170 and radius is 10. The circle is like this. Next circle is circle having coordinate 220, 140 and radius is again 10. The circle is like this. Next circle having coordinate 190, 170 and radius of the circle is 10. So, these are the 8 circle at 8 corner of cube. Okay. It indicates that 8 atoms at 8 corner and we get simple cubic structure. Next is the now get CH and closed graph is used to convert the graphics mode into the text mode. We have to see Miller indices of one plane. After attending this lecture, the learner will be able to draw Miller indices. Then learner will be understand use of outtext in a C program. So, Miller indices of 1 plane. Program to draw Miller indices of 1 plane. This is a comment line. This line is not executed during execution of a program. Then hash include is again preprocessor directive, stdio.h is a standard input output, .h is a header file. Then hash include graphics.h, we use graphics mode. Okay. Now, this graphics.h is a library function which gives access to graphics mode or graphics library. So, we can draw circle, arc, ellipse, rectangle, bar, so and so on. Then the hash include is hash include conio.h. Conio.h is used because in this program we use get ch and clear screen. Wide main which is used to execute the codes. Then integer gd is equal to detect, gd means graphic driver is equal to detect, the numerical value of detect is 0 and the numerical value of gd, that is graphics drive and graphics mode is a same. Then init graph and gd and gm, here it is used to convert the text mode into the graphics mode. Next is outtext, Miller indices 1 plane. This text is a display on a screen at a coordinate 70, 40. Next is now this is a display, okay, Miller indices. Now rectangle, okay, we have to draw a rectangle and this rectangle having coordinate, the corner left top corner having coordinate 80, 90 and the bottom left bottom coordinate 190, 170, and the rectangle is like this. Now, we have to draw a second rectangle, so that the cubic structure, there is a cubic structure, and the rectangle again having coordinate, the corner, left top corner of a rectangle having coordinate 110 and 60. The bottom right corner having coordinate 210 and 130, and the rectangle is like this. Now, we have to join the corner of this rectangle. So, for that we required lines. Okay. So, first line having coordinate 80, 90 and 110, 70, and the line is like this. The second line having coordinate 190, 90. This is the starting point of a line, coordinate of a starting point of a line, and the line having end coordinate 220 and 70, and the line is like this. Now, we have to draw third line, line having coordinate 80, 160, 110, 140, and the line is like this. Next is a line having coordinate 190, 170, 220, 140, and the line is like this. Now, we have to give name to x axis, y axis, and also we have to draw x, y and z axis. For that, first is line 220, 140, 250, 140, then second line, third line, and the axis, x axis is like this, then y axis is like this, then z axis is like this. Okay. Now, we have to draw arrow of the axis, and for that we required, for each axis we required two lines to draw arrow. So, first line, line 250, 140, 245, then 135, then second line, third line, fourth line, sixth line. So, these all are the arrow of a axis. Now, we have to give name to the axis. First is a x axis, second is y axis, third is z axis. Now, we have to give the point to each corner of the simple cube or cubic structure. First is A, second B, third C, then D, then E, F, G, then H. Okay. Now, we have to draw Miller indices of 111 plane. For that, we required three lines. Okay. First line is used to join corner along y axis and z axis. Second line is used to join the corner of y along y axis and x axis, and third line is line to join corner along x axis and z axis. So, all these is given in a next slide. So, name the axis. First, the x, this name is a display at the coordinate 240 and 140. Now, the y, this is a display at the coordinate 140, 160. Z is a display at the point having coordinate 80, 190. Okay. Now, name the point. First is A. A is a display at point having coordinate 70, 100 by using outtext xy. B is a display at the point having coordinate 200, 100 by using outtext. C is a display at the point having coordinate 200, 170. Okay. D is a display at a point which having coordinate 160, 60. E is a display at a point which having coordinate 120, 140. F is a display at a point having coordinate 130 and 80. G is a display at a point having coordinate 230, 60. Now, we have to join or line to join one plane. Okay. First, we required 3 lines. Okay. First line having coordinate 80, 160, 110, 60. Okay. That is starting point coordinate and end point coordinate. Second line having coordinate 110, 60 and 220, 140. Third line having coordinate 220, 140, that is a coordinate of starting point, and end point having coordinate 80, 160. Then get CH, close graph, which is a use to convert graphics mode into the text mode. Dear student, now you have some assignment. First, write a program to draw line, circle, arc, ellipse, bar and rectangle. Second is write a program to draw concentric circle at the center of a screen. Third program is a program to draw simple cubic structure. Then fourth is write a program to draw Miller indices of 111 plane. Write this assignment, complete all this assignment and send on Google Classroom. So, in this lecture we discuss first program, that is a program to draw circle, arc, ellipse, rectangle, bar. Second program is a program to draw concentric circle at the center of a screen. Third program is a program to draw simple cubic structure, and fourth program is a program to draw Miller indices of 111 plane. And from this we understand that line required coordinate of a starting and end point. Then the circle required coordinates of a center and radius of a circle. The arc required coordinates of a center, starting angle, end angle and radius of a arc. Then ellipse required coordinates of a center, starting angle, end angle and radius of a ellipse along semi major and semi minor axis. To draw rectangle or bar, we required the coordinates of a left top corner and coordinates of right bottom corner. Student, in next lecture we have to see some numerical method in C, that is a bisection method, Newton-Raphson method, then trapezoidal rule, simple 1/3 rule. We have to see all this method with algorithm, flowchart and program. Also, we have to solve some problems of this numerical method in next lecture. Thank you.